going to share with you how amazing is this, guys. So in the last few days ago, I built a portfolio website in my I published in my YouTube channel. So I will show you how is it possible to apply Google Ads or got a Google AdSense. I'm just really excited. So, guys, this is the my own WordPress website. This is the portfolio website. Okay, professional portfolio design with WordPress website. So, this website I published 4 days ago. So now I will show you how how is it possible to apply for Google AdSense. So this is my portfolio website. So guys, can you imagine that only 4 days ago I built this website and now I got a Google AdSense this one, guys. So can you imagine that? I don't know actually. I can't believe this about myself. Okay, so guys, oh no no. So guys, I don't believe even I don't believe myself. Okay, only 4 days I got a Google AdSense. Okay, so guys, this is my website, and I already now this email newsletter subscriber is not working because I don't work. I didn't work. Okay, like that. Subscribe. Okay, wait. If something went wrong with, please try again later. Okay, so I got a Google AdSense. So Alhamdulillah. Okay, I'm a Muslim, so that's all. Okay, so guys, after that, all services. Then how? Oh, this is banner section. Oh, can you imagine that? It's very cool, guys. I love it. I love it. Google publication. Maybe something. Okay, the sidebar. Wow, this is very cool, guys. Then after that, affiliation, maybe not. Portfolio. Okay, wow. How is it cool? Cool, guys. So this is the actually our my portfolio website is very simple, and I just build it for my testing purposes. Okay, that's is how is it? Imagine that it's a conflict my blog section. Only two blog I published yesterday one and today I published one. This one. Okay, so can you imagine that, guys? It's conflict. Google don't know where will show the Google AdSense. That's why they show on the above my blog section. I think it's not a like a big deal, but it's not quite good. Okay, I will mention where it will open inside the sidebar. Okay, so guys, then in the menus section like footer section area, it's now showing to the Google AdSense, I think. Okay, so why I just make a video because only 4 days. Can you imagine that it is possible? Is it possible? I don't know, but I'll show you inside of my admin dashboard panel. Okay, so guys, then about page, I'm just testing. Okay, no problem. So wow, this is very good, but conflict. Okay, how is it possible? Okay, so maybe possible because your content, your website valuable. Okay, then maybe possible. I think. Then contact page, about page, and contact page. Okay, contract page also same, similarity the same. Okay, now I'll show the Google AdSense here. Okay, then home page. So this is my home page. So maybe don't, I don't know. Today only, today so far, so that's why today. Okay, thank you Google AdSense. So now I'm going to check my WordPress admin panel. So what admin? Okay, then slash. So here's the my site, Google site dashboard. And I'm just showing to you for your understanding. Is it possible to apply Google AdSense and get a traffic? How much traffic? Only 18 visitor in my website. Okay, so that's is the cool referral for referral 40%. then 90% is the organic video, then organic social 5.6, then unseen it, okay, unseen it 5.6, then oh, direct user maybe also I think. So now it's be cool and very cool, I think. And complete your setup, okay, so no problem, you can set up content. So guys, overall this is my video, and I think you have to modify your website, then you will go to Google AdSense. Then here I have another website like this one, text of the review, but it needs to attention. Okay, so guys, do you know attention and ads.txt status is not found. So guys, if you know that about matter, then help me. Okay, I'm not expert of SEO, so guys, please help me, obviously. And guys, if you like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll give you my website link in the description below. I have no intention to the earning from this website. This is my personal portfolio, so that's why I just think that this is very cool, guys. And text of review is my professional website. Needs to the owners, maybe AdSense program policy like that. Lots of, I think, I don't know. I will find out. No problem. Then I just show you how techsoftreview.com. So this is my desktop review, but it's not find the Google AdSense. Okay, so maybe conflict the my banner section area. It's not maybe need to the necessary. I just read it the Google AdSense formula, but I don't know too much. Okay, so guys, maybe this one also conflict. This one, then lots of blog I already published it, but this website is not getting a Google AdSense. So guys, if you don't know about this one, then please help me. I'll very glad to you and you are helping. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. After later.